Miss Fleming did? I mean, I'm sorry, Miss Williams?
Yes, I have witnesses for it, specifically my mother.
And what happened?
Words were said.
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
Or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Mr. Fleming
I do.
and Miss Williams.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Fleming, your sound is a little distorted. Do you have on ear pods or you have on a Bluetooth?
No, my son was playing with my phone yesterday
Oh,
and he dropped it kind of awkward. So the
okay.
speaker
Well, I
might be a
can
little
hear
messed
you
up.
now. I can hear you now. So, all right. Miss Franklin, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. We're here on the state's petition to establish the parent-child relationship. Judge, this would be a temporary order today and then a referral to district court. Custody is disputed. Mr. Fleming is requesting to be made the primary parent of the child. So we do have a temporary order, Judge, and in conservatorship and exchange location is contested for the temporary order today. We don't have a date yet for the district court. The state would contact the court to get the date for the parties.
Okay.
If I could read the proposed terms of the temporary order.
You may.
Thank you, Judge. There's one child before the court, Azariel Fleming. I'd offer as State's Exhibit A, the DNA test results that do not exclude Mr. Fleming as the father of the child.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. Parties agreed to establish Mr. Fleming as the legal and biological father with the child's surname to remain Fleming. Judge, Mr. Fleming is requesting a family violence finding in the court order. Conservatorship is not agreed to. Both parties agreed to a standard visitation schedule with a provision for no drug or alcohol use within 12 hours before visitation. Parties do not agree on an exchange location. However, parties do agree on support. The mother is to apply for or maintain government medical. Mr. Fleming is to pay cash medical support of $199 a month beginning December 1st, 2025. And child support, Judge, would be $351 a month, also beginning December 1st, 2025. The issue of retroactive child support will be reserved for the final, and Mr. Fleming is requesting a non-disclosure of his address in this court order.
Okay. You may call your first witness.
I'll call the mother. Ma'am, can you state your full name?
Yes, my name is Kiana Williams.
And Ms. Williams, has there been family violence between you and Mr. Fleming in the past 2 years?
We haven't had any physical violence. There has been threats, but no physical violence.
Who made the threats?
Both of us.
Okay. And was it threats to harm each other? What kind of threats were made?
Physical fighting.
Okay. Do you have any safety concerns concerning yourself and Mr. Fleming because of those threats?
No, ma'am. We just was speaking out of anger.
Okay. Do you have any safety concerns concerning your child being around Mr. Fleming?
Yes, ma'am.
And what concerns do you have?
Yes, alcohol and marijuana usage. Also, I don't know exactly who he'll be bringing her around, and so his mother has drug usage. His brother has family violence.
Okay. How old is your daughter?
She's 3.5.
And when was the last time she saw her dad?
Last year.
In 2024?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court to make you sole managing conservator of your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why is that?
Because I've been taking care of her. She only knows me. And again, Mr. Fleming, he moves around a lot and I have more stability.
Okay. You're agreeable to a standard visitation schedule, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But you're asking the court for that provision in the order with no drug or alcohol usage within 12 hours before the visitation?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand Mr. Fleming is requesting a meetup location for y'all to do the exchanges for visitation? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
But you don't agree with the meetup location?
No, ma'am.
And can you tell the court why?
I'm sorry, you cut in and out.
Oh, why do you disagree with having to meet up somewhere for exchanging for your visits?
Ma'am, because he has been to my house numerous times with no issues, and because I don't have transportation, I just recently moved to Everman, Texas. They don't have a bus line or anything like that. And I currently do not have a job because I don't have anywhere for her to go. She cannot get into school because there's no openings. And I don't have money for Uber to get around. So I would prefer him to come get her
Okay, at your house.
from my house.
Okay. And you're in agreement that you would apply
Yes, ma'am.
for or you agree you would apply for or maintain government medical for your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
And for Mr. Fleming to pay $199 a month beginning December 1st in cash medical support?
Yes, ma'am.
And you agree to the child support of $351 a month, also beginning December 1st, 2025.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any safety concerns with your address being in today's court order?
No, ma'am.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
All right, you may call your next witness.
I'll call Mr. Fleming. Sir, can you state your full name?
Yes, my full name is Jared Fleming.
And Mr. Fleming, has there been family violence between you and Ms. Williams in the past 2 years?
There have been threats.
And
There
what
have been
kind of
threats, and there has been pop-ups and things like that.
has Ms. Williams threatened you?
Yes,
What kind of
and my brother.
threats?
Physical threats.
You mean physical to cause harm to you?
Yes,
And you said there have been pop-ups. What do you mean by that?
came to my house unannounced, walked right into my door.
Ms. Fleming did? I'm sorry, Ms. Williams?
Yes, I have witnesses for it, specifically my mother.
And what happened?
Words were said. I was sitting in my room playing a game of Madden before I went to work, and she walked into my house unannounced, asking for books. But she had a very crazy look in her eye. I had to call my mother just to get her away from the house.
Do you have safety concerns concerning yourself and Ms. Williams?
Yes,
Are you fearful or afraid?
yes.
And is it because of her coming to your house and the threats?
It is not only that, it is in her history. She actually has a history of doing this to men. So, yes, I am afraid. I do not want my address disclosed.
And you understand that today you're also requesting a change in custody, but you understand that this temporary order today is not going to change that, and it will be referred to district court to deal with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
custody issue. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware of that. Thank you.
And you are in agreement to be made joint managing conservators with Ms. Williams in this temporary order, is that right?
For the temporary order, yes, ma'am. This will be revised.
And
But
you
yes,
also
temporarily, yes.
okay, and you also agree to the standard visitation schedule with the no drug or alcohol use provision.
Yes, I agree to that.
But as far as the visits, you do not want y'all to come to each other's houses, and you want to meet at the Walmart off of 6300 Oakmont Boulevard in Fort Worth. Is that right?
Yes, I have no idea what I'm going to walk into. I don't know who she's living with. I have no clue.
Right. And then you agreed to pay the cash medical support of $199 a month beginning December 1st, 2025.
That is correct.
And the child support of $351 a month beginning December 1st, 2025.
That is correct.
And you're requesting, again, like you said, a non-disclosure, meaning you do not want your address listed in this court order.
Correct.
Currently, Ms. Williams doesn't know where you live.
I don't believe so.
But you have safety concerns with her knowing where you live.
Correct.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Fleming, you say she has a history of doing this to men. What do you mean?
Well, to keep it short with you, she actually got into a situation with her previous baby father where she got violent towards him. Now, the reason why
Were you
this is
there?
no, ma'am. But my child
This
was in
is
her
just
stomach
some,
at the time.
but who was there?
I believe she was pregnant with my daughter at the time.
Okay, but you were not there, so you
No,
don't,
ma'am.
it's just something somebody told you.
No, there's actually police orders and stuff involved. It's not anything that
Okay,
anyone
so now
told
let me
me.
ask you this. Did you ever call the police on Miss Williams?
Oh no, 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 no,
You
no,
didn't file
no.
any
It
charges?
wasn't me. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And Miss Williams, you say you live in Everman. How long have you lived in Everman?
Since August, Your Honor.
Okay. And when was this filed, Miss Franklin?
Um,
I'm sorry, Your Honor, you cut in and out.
I
Judge,
just asked Miss Franklin when this
Can you
was
hear me?
filed. I can
it
hear
was
you
filed.
fine.
Sorry, Judge. It was filed on April 28th of
Okay.
this year, 2025.
Okay. So then this is what I'll do. I will accept the agreed portions of the order, make the agreed portions the order of the court. I will make the parties joint managing conservators of the child. Mom will be primary. And was there a geo restriction, Miss Franklin, or not?
So, Judge, it was a geographic restriction within Dallas County.
Or any
However,
contiguous
or
counties?
any
What county
contiguous
is
county.
Everman in, ma'am?
Tarrant.
Okay, that's a contiguous county. We can leave it right there. Primary, mom will be primary. There is a geographic restriction. Be standard visitation with a injunction against alcohol and any controlled substance 12 hours prior to and during any periods of possession. Retroactive child support and court costs will be reserved for final hearing. There will be no non-disclosure, but there will be an exchange location of what was the exchange location?
So, Judge, Dad was requesting the Walmart off of 6300 Oakmont Boulevard, and that's in Fort Worth.
Walmart at 6300 Oakmont Boulevard. Okay. Does anyone have any questions? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can we get that changed? Because again, like I said, I do not have transportation. I can go to the McDonald's or the Family Dollar or Dollar General that's near my house. That would be more best for me, if that's okay, Your Honor.
Mr. Fleming?
I would rather the location be more secure. I'm not comfortable with the McDonald's or any
Well,
like any.
McDonald's got as many people in the parking lot as Walmart. So
I
what
suppose.
is,
I suppose. I suppose. Yeah.
okay. So can you you'll get the address for that McDonald's, Miss Franklin?
Unless Mom could
It's
tell
on
me the.
South Ray Street, I believe.
Do you know the actual address, or you just know it's on South Ray Street?
It just opened up 8 months ago. It's in Everman, Texas.
Okay. Do either one of you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
I have one.
Yes, sir.
So will it be at that McDonald's or will it be at a Walmart as I requested? Now, if it
Well, you
is at
said
that
you didn't
McDonald's,
mind the McDonald's.
okay,
So it's going to be at the McDonald's
we're
on Ray
doing okay.
Street in Everman.
Okay, I guess I can't say anything to that.
And I have the address, Judge, for it. I'll put it in the order off of
All right.
521 South Ray Street.
Thank you, Ms. Franklin. Do either one of you have any questions at this time?
No.
No, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here, and you're both free to go. And this, it'll be referred, Ms. Franklin, and you will get a date.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. Thank you both for appearing today.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You're welcome.